This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium on Gayatri Mantra. We will begin by familiarizing ourselves with the harmonium's layout, focusing on the white and black keys. Understanding the 7 fundamental notes, or saptak, is crucial for any melody. We will then practice correct finger placement, ensuring a fluid and comfortable playing experience. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success in playing devotional music. Now, let's delve into the specific notes for the Gayatri Mantra. The mantra typically uses a specific set of notes within a particular scale, often C sharp or D. We will break down the melody phrase by phrase, ensuring you grasp each segment. Pay close attention to the rhythmic pattern, which is usually a steady, meditative tempo. Practicing slowly at first, perhaps at 60 beats per minute, will build accuracy and confidence. Effective harmonium playing for mantra involves specific techniques. Mastering the bellows is key. Aim for a consistent, even airflow to produce a steady sound. We will explore how to sustain notes, allowing the melody to resonate and create a deeply devotional atmosphere. Coordinating both hands is also vital, with one hand playing the melody and the other often maintaining a drone. This balance enhances the mantra's spiritual impact. Consistent practice is essential for mastering the Gayatri Mantra on harmonium. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes each day to reinforce your learning and build muscle memory. Listening to different renditions of the mantra can inspire and help you refine your own interpretation. Focus on clear articulation of each note and infuse your playing with genuine emotional expression. This dedication will deepen your connection to the mantra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.